So we're going to learn how to make the lemon coaster. We've already learned how to make a circle coaster, and what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the tutorial where we're making the circle coaster, and we're going to make 3 rounds. We're not going to make the 4th round. The 4th round is what is going to finish off and make our little lemon. So we've made 3 rounds in our circle coaster, and then our next stitch is going to be a stacked double crochet. So what we're doing is so we've joined, and then we're going to go into this next one and we're going to make a stacked double. So and now into that same stitch we're going to make a treble, another treble, another treble, and then one more double, and that makes the little end of the lemon. And then in the next stitch we're going to do a slip stitch. There we go, and that makes our little bump here. So we did a slip stitch, then we're going to do a single crochet, and then we're going to make 2 half doubles. 1, 2. Then we're going to do 2 in the same stitch, 2 half doubles in the same stitch, and we're going to repeat that 4 more times, that sequence. So 2 half doubles, and increase. Two half doubles, and increase. One more time, 2 half doubles, and an increase. There we have that piece. Then we're going to do 1 half double, 1 single, and a slip stitch. And now we're ready to make our next bump, which is going to be the exact same thing. 1 double crochet, 3 trebles, and a double, all in the same stitch. There we have the second bump, and now we're going to do the same slip stitch and a single, and we're going to do our half doubles, 2 half doubles in the next 2, 2 half double increase, 2 half doubles in the next 2, 2 half double increase, 2 half doubles, 2 half double increase, 2 half doubles, and then, oh goodness, yep, 2 half double increase, And then we're at the end where we're going to do one more half double, one single, and a slip stitch to join. And there it is. We are all done. We have finished our lemon coaster. It is absolutely adorable. I made one in green as well, and in this yellow and I put some leaves on it. If you want the pattern for the leaves, that's on my Ribbler account. I will link it so that you can find it. And what I didn't say is that I used Lily Sugar and Cream, and this is my first time using this yarn. I gotta say, I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't know what all the hype is about. I tried knitting with it, which I do like. I knitted some washcloths, love it for that, but for crochet, it hurts my hands. I really don't like it. And I find that the stitch definition, it's just, no, I'm not crazy about it. Anyways, these are the lemon coasters. The written pattern is on Ribbler as well, and the pattern for the little leaves. So I hope you enjoy this. Let me know what you think and if you make any. Bye.